Hi, Flow Extract here. In this video, I will show you how to extract YouTube comment from either from YouTube or live YouTube or short. So it's straightforward. I'm gonna leave this answer in the description. So you hit try for free. And if you don't have Apify account, you easily create it, and Apify give you every month $5 so credit, so you can try it. So in this example, we'll navigate to some YouTube to see if the data is accurate or not. So this is one of video Apify. So we interested in the comment section. It's here. So we put either one URL or multiple URL. In the sake of the long video, we stick with one URL, and either want top comment or newest. So let's do the newest, and we want, let's say how much we want. Let's say all the comments. So we enter a big number. Let's say say 10,000. And also we want the reply. We also want the reply of the YouTube. We want like every comment. We want let's say 10 reply. But in this video, we only have one reply for each comment. So I will add my reply about it. Let's say say test. So you can see, okay, okay, and let's run it. It is straightforward. Okay, put the how much comment you want, how much reply of specific comment you want, and the order of the comment, either from top comment or the newest, and add the which you are which video you want to scrape comment from. So we hit start, save and start. So the scraper end, but you see that we have only 45 results, but the how comment like in here we see we have 83 result comment. So the count as um, reply counts as a comment. So if we remove every reply Epify added, we end up with around 40 and 45 exactly. But in Scraper, it does not like the reply comment. So let's see if it is accurate or not. What is it? for detail, we want like first comment. If you go in store by yeah US, so we see uh, try out Instagram scraper on Apify store. Try out, yeah, exactly. This guy, hello. I can only scroll part of the post and each profile. Yeah, that's correct. And let's see the last comments. What he said. The last. So this is the last Epify. And this. Let's up, go down, 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 down to see if it is accurate or not. Okay. Yeah. So basically, you can see this is the last comment after Epify pin comment. So yeah, and you can see the go to reply also, but reply only Epify reply. So if you count like count the how much is this in here, how much like and how much reply, you end up with 83 comments. And let's say my comment is is it or not? What is it? Only Apify. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it exists. So this is my comment. I test. So if you have any issue using my scraper, you can open up an issue. And also, I appreciate if you leave a 5 star. Peace.